Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the color theme for a particular chat on Telegram. So it is going to be really easy and quick. Let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to open the Telegram app. And now you have to open the chat for which you want to change the color theme. So for example, I want to change the color theme for this particular chat. Now for that you have to tap the three dots at the top right. And from here you simply have to select the options that says change colors. Now here you will see a number of color options that you can choose from, and this will change the theme for this particular chat only. So you can go for any theme that you want. And you can also see that how will this theme look in the dark mode. So you can simply press the moon icon here and this theme will look something like this in the dark theme, alright, in the dark mode. So you can simply turn off the dark mode and you can simply select any color theme that you want for this particular chat and then tap apply theme. So yeah, the theme has been applied for this particular chat. That's how you can change the themes for any particular chat on your Telegram account. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for any issues or queries, you can reach out to the comment box down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more tech related content. Thank you for watching.